everyone, I am Meenal Vijay Painse and let's see what the fourth extended week of December 2020, that is the 22nd to the 31st of December 2020 has in store for the sun sign Aquarius. For Aquarians, this is a week where the cards advise you to literally take rest, especially on a mental level. So this is a week where you might find that if you think too much, you will be exhausted mentally. Sometimes the mind goes through a phase of burnout. The only way to relax your mind is literally not to do anything mentally, not think, not overthink, just relax and do things that calm down your mind. Sometimes the better option is to do nothing at all than to do 10 things and burn out your mind. So this is a week where you need to sit, relax, do nothing and let your mind unwind. Moving on to the space of work, if in case you're in a collaborative partnership with people, it's going to be a very beautiful week. There's a possibility that your partnership will flourish. There are chances that your company will receive a nice new contract, or if in case you've set some goals within this partnership, major goals will be achieved, and basically it is going to be a time of celebration. So yes, work-wise, especially for people who are into a collaborative partnership, this week proves very, very fruitful. For people who are employed, this is a week where you will find that everything is smooth, people are very cooperative, and hence working is going to sound like fun and not work. Moving on to the area of finances, the finances could be a little bit disappointing. There could be some certain expenses that you have not anticipated, but then they have to be borne, and which is going to kind of put you a little off financially. You might feel a little dent in your finances or feel that you've become a little bit financially unstable. But well, this is how the way it is going to be. Moving on to the area of relationships. It could be high time that you understand what you are getting in emotionally out of a relationship. It's going to be a week where you will realize that you are taking care of your relationships, but in the return, you are feeling very emotionally unfulfilled. You're not emotionally satisfied. You're just carrying on the relationship for the heck of it. In such a case, it is absolutely recommended that you also learn to find your own quotient of emotional happiness within a relationship. Invest in things and do things that make you happy within a relationship. It is not really recommended that you become the scapegoat all the time just so that everybody around you is happy. You also need to be happy within a relationship. It is your right and you need to work for it. Moving on to the space of health. So if you're already going through some kind of a disease or some kind of an ailment, this week will see you recuperating, but a little bit slowly. You will take time to get well. Also, energy-wise, you might feel sluggish. You might not really want to get up and go on the run. Rather, you might want to take it slow. You might want to rest. You might want to cut down a few activities in the day so that you have the time to sit and just rest. So yes, if your body demands the rest, go ahead and give your body the rest it needs. Do not push or do not overdo things. Your reactions and comments about how you think the experience of your last extended week of December 2020 is absolutely welcome. Please feel free to share your experiences in the comment box or personally DM me, and I would really love to understand your experiences. Here's wishing you a very beautiful and a happy week ahead. Thank you.